he started sending me additional messages after his debate was fully destroyed and he was demolished. And then he started in bringing in certain things, and I was like, go play these childish attitude with someone else. Here, prove Islam to be true. If you could, I will recite Shahada. What else would anybody as a Muslim need? What else would anybody as a Muslim need? I am saying to him, if you will prove to me that Islam is a true religion, I will recite Shahada. That's all. Like, imagine that. I didn't even say, hey, you have to do this, you have to do that. And what I said, but you cannot, if you cannot, you have to denounce Muhammad and his sin. Uh-oh. I wanted to say deen, but maybe Google just fixed it to sin. By the way, sin is also as good as deen because Muhammad had so many sins anyways. So anyhow, so like, I wanted to say deen, but like it was auto corrected to sin. Maybe Google knows better.
Yeah, well, you know what? Google sometimes knows what's best. So,
Hey, welcome back, brother. Welcome back. Hmm. Anyhow, imagine what he said right there and then. The challenge is on. Okay. And I am always ready. This has been 4 days already. I was like, and you ran away? So, as expected, you and your prophet just accuse but cannot defend your religion. So called Islam defender, right?
mhm,
You named yourself Islam defender, not me. Okay. I'm
mhm.
just an Aram seeker. And then he's like, I was like I said before, the day you will agree with me on Islam, I will debate with you on everything or anything. Okay. But you have to agree with me on Islam for that. Secondly, you accepted my challenge that if you prove Islam from Quran and Hadith, I will recite Shahada. And you said you accept the challenge. Now what happened to that challenge? Did you even lost it before going live with me? Imagine this. He said, the challenge is on and I am always ready. That's what he said. Now he's running away. Look what happened.
Mm,
This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This sentence, guys, remember this sentence. Imagine how weak Quran and Hadith is, how weak Muhammad's teaching is. This is what Islam Defender is saying. You are an ex-Muslim, and Quran and Hadith will never turn you back to Islam. Now he knows that I know Quran and Hadith much more than him, and he can
yeah,
deceive me. The only way to get somebody to Islam from Quran and Hadith is by deception, by not showing everything,
right.
hiding things, by hiding things. It's not me saying now, it is the Islam defender, the defender of Islam saying it. This is
Wow.
Islam defender saying it, the one who goes on and debate with people. Imagine that.
Has he actually done debates with people?
Yeah, he has done debate with Hatun Tash, with the people of DCCI ministry, with Sam Shimon, with Christian Prince. He have done many debates. But imagine he's now saying that as an
Wow.
Quran and Hadith will never be able to turn you back because I know Quran and Hadith more than him. He will never be able to deceive me.
You only want to deal with college students, young ones, untrained ones, little ones, weak ones, in uneven situations and settings, is because you're pusillanimous.
I was like, and this is like 3 hours ago. I was like, what a stupid claim of your so-called book, which says that it is guide for all mankind, and you cannot turn me back by using the book which can guide all mankind. Deception after deception. You are
Wow.
you are finished.
All of you. And I know you're listening to me and shaking. You need to use the toilet now. I know you do. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully, and I want you to all listen. And I know the enemies of Islam are listening to me. Let me take my glasses off. Let me take my glasses. If you saw what I look like now, believe me, a lot of the enemies of Islam would be very scared. And a lot of you are losing faith, and you shouldn't. Deceived and self-deluded. Dunning-Kruger effect, you jokers, you imbeciles. How dare you talk about the Quran, you imbecilic individuals. Because of the ignorance of the Muslim community and the weakness of the leaders.